loading a driver, establishing connection. JDBC 4.0 onwards, this is also no need to write. It works. Now, connection established. After establishing connection, if you want to execute programs, statement or prepared statement or callable statement, any one statement required. Suppose I'll go for statement. For getting statement, which method you have to call? Create statement. Connection reference dot create statement. Now, here, if you want to execute SQL queries, if you want to execute, three methods are there. What are the methods? Execute, update, execute query. See, first I'll open the table, select star from student. Now, roll number 8. Last number, roll number 8. Suppose one record I want to insert. STMT dot execute update. Here I'll write insert query. Insert into student values. Okay. Roll number 8 already is there. Now 9 I'll insert. 9. Roll number 9, triple I 55. Now one record I'm inserting. Now one record I want to update. Suppose roll number 8, 18 marks is there. I want to make it 40 marks. This one 40 marks I want to make it. How to update? STMT dot execute update. What you write query? Update student set marks equal to 40, where roll number equal to 8. Roll number 8. Okay, roll number 8 marks I want to make it 40. This is one record I want to delete. Roll number 6 I want to delete. What we have write? STMT dot execute update. What you have write? Delete from student, where roll number equal to 6. Now it will throw exception. So try catch blocks. Now, if I run this program, one record inserted, one record updated, one record deleted. If I run this program. Now, roll number 9 I'm inserting. Roll number 9 I'm inserting. Roll number 8 marks I'm updating to 40. 8 into 40. Roll number 6 I'm deleting. This is my task. Okay. Now, here, insert, update, delete. 3 queries are written. Any query. Now, if I run this program, one record inserted, one record updated, one record deleted. This is all done. Okay. Now what I'll do, just after this connection reference, connection creation, connection reference dot set auto commit false. Set auto commit false. Now, if I run this program, is it record inserted? No. Is it updated? No. Is it deleted? No. So auto commit mode false I given. Then what will be happen? These all operation done in RAM, not done in hard disk, permanently not saved. So just with only this line, these all not executed. Executed in a RAM only. Temporarily it is stored, permanently not updated. So here, if I remove this line, by default, auto commit mode is true. By default, auto commit mode is true. That's what all transactions executed as well as permanently saved in database. So all transactions are executed and permanently saved in database. If I execute this program now, Ninth record inserted, roll number 9 inserted, roll number 8 marks updated, roll number 6 deleted. But only one line if I attach connection dot set auto commit false, then it is not done. Now one query also not executed permanently. Now my task is, what I want is here, this query I want to insert, I want to execute, but this is I want to cancel, this is I want to execute. Then what we have to do, think yourself and give me answer. Now my task is, I'll give a task, you think yourself what are the methods required, see that notes and give answer. Now I want to insert, but this query I want to cancel, this query I want to execute. So I want to insert record, I want to delete record, but I don't want to update. Then what we have to write, think yourself and give answer. Yesterday methods list I given. From those methods, logically you think and give me answer what we have to write. Logically think and give answer. Now, first of all, you observe this program. This program, if I run, what will happen? All executed. If I run, all executed. But one line if I attach, set auto commit if I attach. Now what will happen? One query also not executed. Okay. Now, if I remove auto commit mode, all executed. Okay. Now, if I write set auto commit false, one query also not executed. If I remove that, all executed. But my task is, first query I want to execute, second query I want to cancel, third query I want to execute. Think yourself and give me answer without save point later, except save point. What we have to write, think yourself and give answer. What we have to write, where we have to write. Line number, you can see, you can give answer. First, what we have to do? First, this program auto commit true record or false record? Auto commit true record or false record? True also selecting, false also selecting. Logically think and give answer. Auto commit true record or auto commit false record? What you write? False record. If you write true, automatically everything executed. Every query executed. Okay. Auto commit false if you write, you can manage. Auto commit true is there, no need to manage. Everything managed by system only. Auto commit true is there, automatically managed everything. Then no need to call any method, automatically all executed. If you want to handle transactions by yourself, then you have to use false only. So first what we have to write? Connection reference dot set auto commit false. Now queries are not executed. Now this one I want to execute. This one I want to execute. Next, this one I want to cancel. Next, this one I want to execute. What do you write? After insert, what do you write? What do you write? Commit. Connection reference dot commit. Next, after update query, connection reference dot rollback. Rollback. Okay. Connection reference dot rollback. Next, after delete, connection reference dot commit. That's it. But if we don't set this one, everything committed. Now, even if you don't write this one, if you write rollback also doesn't work. After this line only committed, no? After that line only committed. Then later if you write rollback also no use. That is permanently saved. Later you are trying to cancel. That is no use. Temporarily saved. Now rollback. Cancelled. But permanently stored means later if you cancel also no use Java side. That is permanently in the hard disk already stored in database. Then if you cancel also no use. That's what auto commit mode false you have to write. Then it is not going to save. Everything done in RAM only. See, first what I given auto commit false I given. Now automatically not committed. Automatically not saved. Now here this query temporarily stored. Whenever commit saved permanently. Again temporarily saved. Permanently cancelled. I cancelled. Again temporarily saved. Permanently stored. Now if I run this program, what will be happen? One query inserted. One record inserted. One record deleted. But record not updated. See. Right click. Run as Java application. Save. Now I didn't give any output. That's what output not displayed. But you can see it. SQL prompt. Say if I execute. Say roll number 9. Inserted. No? Roll number 9 inserted. Roll number 6 deleted. Roll number 8 not updated. So one query executed. Say insert query executed. Insert query executed. Update query cancelled. Delete query executed. So this is commit. This is rollback. This is commit. So like this, once if you set auto commit mode false, you can control. If you don't write this one, that is not in your hand. System hand only. Okay. Once if you write auto commit mode false, that is under your control now. You can control according to your requirement. But if you don't write this one, that is not in your hand. That is everything automatically done. Got it? So if you want to manage transactions manually, you can use this type. Okay. Now, but one more concept is there. Save point. That I'll explain. First, you write this one. 1 minute. Write it. Program to demonstrate. Program to demonstrate. Set auto commit, comma commit, and rollback methods. Program to demonstrate. Set auto commit and commit rollback methods. Program to demonstrate, set auto commit, and rollback methods. So set auto commit false if you write, then you can control. Now in this program, set auto commit method, rollback method. I use it. So your auto commit mode is false. That means you are going to manage. Here saved, cancelled, again saved. So this query executed, this query cancelled, this query executed. So manually we are managing with commit and rollback methods. But once if you set auto commit mode false, this is all you can use. Otherwise, every transaction, every query executed. Okay. Every query executed. Auto commit mode false if you write, that is under your control now. Is it over? This program, you observe, here commit I written, here rollback I written, here commit I written. But instead of that, one more concept introduced, save point. Then logical point you can create here. And this one you can save, this one you can cancel. It is possible with save point also. It is one more feature. Is it over? Is it over completed? No, next write it. Save point. It is introduced in JDBC 3.0 version. It is introduced in JDBC 3.0 version. It is another way to control the transactions. It is another way to control the transactions. By using this feature, we can create logical unit. By using this feature, we can create logical unit and it can be cancelled at any time. By using this feature, we can create logical unit and it can be cancelled at any time. See, this concept introduced in JDBC 3.0 version. It is another way to control the transactions. By using this feature, we can create logical unit and it can be cancelled at any time. So if you want to create a save point, I given methods, two methods I given you see. Save point without name, save point with name. Save point without name, what is the return type? What is the method name? See, set save point. Same method overloaded. Method name same. Parameter is different. What is the return type of that method? Save point. So what you can do is save point s1 equal to that is the method of which interface? That is method of which interface? Connection. So connection reference dot set save point. You can write connection reference dot set save point. So like this, you can write SQL queries. If you want to cancel connection reference dot rollback save point. Now, whatever you write here, these all cancelled. Suppose this type of save points, many are there in your program. Then you write first save point, second save point, like that you can create. So what you can do, many save points you can create. This is identification purpose will write. Now, whether you write or not, with reference also we can manage. With reference only we have to manage actually. This is only identification. First save point, second save point, third save point, identification. Otherwise, only like this you can write. And whatever you write here, it is cancelled. Whatever you write in between, it is like a one unit. Save point started here, save point cancelled here. Whatever you write in between, it is cancelled. So, next write it. The above program can be written by using save point feature as follows. The above program can be written by using save point feature as follows. Same program, another way I'll show you. The above program can be written by using save point feature as follows. The above program can be written by using save point feature as follows. Say same program in another way. How to write? You observe. Say right click, new class. Support save point demo. Main method, finish. Now, suppose transaction management demo code only, I'll write here. Suppose as it is, this is I'll copy. Here I'll paste. Now, you observe. As it is, I written. As it is, I written. Now what I'll do is here 9, roll number 9 and inserting 8, updating 6, deleting. Now little bit I'll change. Already 9 is there. I'll go for 10. Suppose edit 10. Triple J. 25. Now roll number 6 already deleted. Okay. Roll number 6 already deleted. I'll go for another 7. This is roll number 7. I'll write. Now, if I execute this program now, what will happen? 10 inserted, 7 deleted, but 8 is not updated. 8 is not updated. Now, this program only, another way to control what you can do, no need to write commit, rollback, commit. Like this, no need to write. For this one, we can create one logical point. That is save point. So for this one, you can create one logical unit. Save point S equal to connection reference dot set save point. You can create this save point feature here. Here, what you can do after update, connection reference dot rollback. Rollback, which takes save point. Now, see, this is under save point. Now, what you can do, previously what we written, here commit we written, here rollback we written, later again here commit written. Now 2 times commit not required. Here only commit you can write now. Now you can write commit like this. Now what will happen, see, this is also executed. Because here what I said, rollback, save point. Save point feature only, save point unit only cancelled. But this is also executed. So here no need to write for this one commit again. Here already commit is there. This commit only works for that. So here. Now suppose now no save point, no rollback. Then what will happen? If I write commit, this is applicable for all queries, no? Now, if I don't write save point, if I don't write rollback, then this commit is for all queries applicable. But my task is, first one I want to insert, second one I want to cancel, third one I want to delete. That is previous program what we did. For this one commit, for this one rollback, for this one commit a return. Now, this is under save point. This is outside the save point. It is outside the save point. This commit is applicable for outside the save point queries. This save point only cancelled. See, now same with the save point example. That's it. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. Now I didn't give any output. You can check here. Now roll number 10 inserted, roll number 7 deleted, roll number 8 not updated. See, roll number 10 inserted, roll number 7 deleted, roll number 8 not updated. It is one more way. One more way. Actually, in real time, what we'll do like this. Suppose this is one transaction. This is one database. It is one more database. One more database. Now, suppose you want to transfer fund. Money deducted from this account. Money should be deposited to this account. Now, what we'll do first of all, this is executed. It is success. Okay. This is cancelled. This is failed. This is failed. Then we have to cancel this one. Then what we can do? This transaction under save point, we can make it. If it is success, you can cancel this. Sorry. If it is failed, then you have to cancel this. If it is success, no need to cancel. Like this will perform operation. But that type of application, if you want to perform, Spring Enterprise concept required Java transaction service separate topic is there. Java transaction API separate topic is there. It is just a basic. Transaction management is very basic. But a separate topic is there. Like a JDBC, one topic. JTS, Java transaction service. There are so many concepts will be there. Two-phase commit protocol concept will be there. With that works. Two sides committed at a time. That type will be there. That type all you will study after Advanced Java. In Spring framework you will learn. Spring Enterprise, Spring Boot Enterprise. At the time, separate topic is there. With the topic integration, we'll study. This is just introduction to transaction management. That's it. You already written. The above program can be written by using the save point feature as follows. Same program in another style. Okay. Now write this program. Program to demonstrate save point. Program to demonstrate save point. Note down. Program to demonstrate save point. Program to demonstrate save point. Note down. Now, 2 times commit, no need to write. Now, inside the save point, whatever is there, that is cancelled, remaining all executed. So, previous program only, I written another way with save point. Now here, roll back, yes. That means save point transactions only cancelled. That is the reason it is inserted. So after save point, whatever I written, that is only cancelled. So this is executed, this is executed, this is cancelled. Is it over? If I don't write this transaction management methods, suppose this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 lines, if I remove, what will happen? All transactions executed, by default executed. Suppose if I remove these 3 lines, what will happen? Single operation also not done. It is temporarily stored all. Okay. Like one is save, one is cancel, one is save, one is cancel. Like that, if you want, manually you can do without save point also. One particular unit, if you want to cancel, use save point. Okay. Like this also you can do, like that also you can do. This is transaction management. But separate library is there. Java transaction API. That is separate library, separate topic. It's like a JDBC type, one more topic. Java transaction service. That it comes under enterprise application. At the time you will see. In Spring Enterprise, Spring Boot Enterprise, at the time you will see. Okay. Say up to here, JDBC completed. Here, JDBC also versions are there. You can see JDBC version history. JDBC version history. JDBC 1.0, 2.0, 3.0 like that. JDBC versions introduced. Say present version stable release 4.3 present version. 2017 onwards, 6 years over, not updated. Okay. Specifications very quickly they won't update. Language, libraries, they will update. So for JDBC latest version 4.3 and 2017 year 1.0, 2.0, 3.0 features they given. Actually what they given is 1.0, 2.0 year. See here JDBC 3.0 row sets. Okay, here clear information not there in Oracle website. It will be there. It is Wikipedia website. See here JDBC versions. I'll give list. I'll give version new features. See JDBC 1.0. JDBC 1.0. Just note on this all. Version and new features. JDBC 1.0, it is first specification. Second specification onwards, new feature comes. First version what will happen? Total JDBC is new only. Okay. It is initial specification. Next version onwards, new feature comes. First version, total JDBC is new. Total JDBC topic is new, complete new. JDBC 2.0. Result set enhancements. Next, batch updates. Next, advanced data types. Blob and clop. 3 features came. JDBC 3.0. Save point. Save point interface. Next, row sets. JDBC 4.0. Auto loading driver facility. Version new features. JDBC 1.0 initial specification. It is first specification. At that time, complete new. 2.0 3 features came, 3.0 2 features came, 4.0 1 feature came. Version new features. Say JDBC 1. Like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, like that also will be there. If many changes are there, year number changed. Year little bit changes are there, year changed. Like that for 1.0, 1.2, 1.3, like that also came. 2.0, 2.1, 2.3, like that also came. Say JDBC 1.0 first version. New features nothing but second version onwards new feature comes. First version total JDBC is new only. Complete JDBC only new. That is initial specification. It's just first specification. Okay. 2.0 3 new features came. Result set enhancements, batch updates, advanced data types. These all you studied, no? Result set enhancements. How many categories divided? Remembered or forgot? Just 4-5 days back only you studied. Result set enhancements. How many feature categories? 2 categories. What is first category? Result set types, concurrency types. How many types of result set? 3 types. What are those? Type forward only, type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive. These 3 result set types. Concurrency types, how many? 2 types. What are those? Conquer read only, conquer updatable. Conquer read only, conquer updatable. Okay. See, result set types, 3 types. In 3 types of result set, how many types introduced in first 1.0? 1. Which one? Type forward only. Will it support backward direction? Will it support absolute relative position? No. Type JDBC 2.0, how many result sets introduced? 2 types. What are those? Type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive. What's the difference between insensitive, sensitive? Insensitive will not show distributed database management system. Sensitive, it will show changes made by others. Okay, that is only different. Both supports absolute and relative. Both supports forward, backward directions. Okay, that is result set enhancements feature. Batch updates. What is the batch updates? Executing more than one SQL query at a time. That is, we are also calling as batch processing. Batch processing or batch updates, both are same. There we use only DML queries, dynamic data manipulation language. Okay. Advanced data types, blob, glob, binary large object, character large object. Okay. These 3. These all introduced in 2.0. Okay. Later JDBC 3.0, save point interface. Just now you have seen. You can create one logical unit. That logical unit, anytime you can cancel. If you want to cancel, at that time, we'll create this one. Row sets. How many types of row sets? 5. What are those? JDBC row set, cached row set, web row set, filtered row set, join row set. In 5 row sets, how many row sets are connected? 1. That is JDBC. Remaining 4 are disconnected. Okay. In 5 row sets, how many Java beans? All Java beans only. How many row sets are serializable? All serializable only. All serializable. What's the difference between JDBC rosette to cached rosette? Connected, disconnected. That is only difference. Cached rosette to web rosette. Writing web rosette data to XML file possible. That is additional feature. Filtered rosette, what is the additional operation? Filtering operations. Join rosette, joining two or more rosettes operation, that is additional feature as compared to cached rosette. Okay. These all you have seen. This last one, auto loading driver facility. So in all programs, every day class dot for name we written. That is no need to write. It is automatically loaded. Just write that one. Last one. Auto loading driver facility. This feature introduced in JDBC 4.0 version. This feature loads the specific JDBC driver. Loads the JDBC driver automatically. This feature loads the JDBC driver automatically according to URL. According to specified URL. This feature introduced in JDBC 4.0 version. This feature loads the JDBC driver automatically according to specified URL. With the URL, it can recognize which driver should load. So by using this feature, no need to write class.forName. Okay, write it. By using this feature, no need to call forName method. Of java.lang.class in a program. By using this feature, no need to call forName method of java.lang.class in a program. So without writing forName method of class, it is loaded. It will be loaded. See, I'll show you. This is auto loading driver facility. So in previous all program, no need to write class.forName. Without writing only, it is loaded according to URL. Specified URL. According to URL, which driver should be loaded, it can recognize, it will load. That is introduced. And also, you already studied row sets. While writing row sets, also we are not loading driver. Row sets also we are not writing loading a driver. It is automatically loaded. Okay. Is it over? Say this program. Suppose connection demo. This program you observe. In this program, we written this one. Okay. Like this we written. This connection established. If I run this program, right click, run as Java application. Okay. Say connection established successfully. Now I'll delete this line. You observe. I'll delete this line. Now I'll execute. Now also works. Say right click, run as Java application. Save. Connection demo, save. Now. 1 minute. No, you don't record this one also. No. right click, run as Java application, save. See, connection established successfully. So now it doesn't require to load the driver. This is auto loading driver facility. Just example note down. Just example. Now no need to load the driver. Automatically driver loaded. Right, this one. Now directly connection you can write. No need to write driver. Note down. So class dot for name I didn't write. Class dot for name I didn't write. It is loaded. Right, this program. It is auto loading driver facility example. So no need to write class dot for name. For name method of class, no need to call. According to this URL, driver loaded. Is it completed? Up to here, JDBC completed. Okay. Now next topic. In a total advanced Java, it is the most important topic. Solids. Okay. Solids is most important topic. In advanced Java, most important topic, this one only, solids. Because Java made for internet applications. Internet application, first topic, solids. But directly you cannot learn solids. That is the reason core Java, JDBC, this all you learn. From here onwards, developing application is complete different. Complete different. Okay. Writing programs, application development, it is complete different. Now, note on solids. From here onwards, real-time Java starts. Real-time Java. See, previous all programs we executed under operating system. But from here onwards, we are going to execute programs under server. One server software we have to install. Tomcat, iPlanet, Pramati, WebLogic, WebSphere, JBoss, so many servers are there. One server we have to install. Programs will run under server. Now, from here onwards, main method will not be there. No main method. Here, separate. Another style. Okay? Write it. You studied already JDBC. What is JDBC? Not full form, not full form. Definition. It is a specification for developing database applications with Java programming language. Okay. That is specification for developing database application. But this is a specification for developing web applications. Note down. Solits is a specification for developing web applications with Java programming language. Solits is a specification for developing web applications with Java programming language. Solits is a specification for developing web applications with Java programming language. So it is also specification, but application is different. It is web application purpose. Web application purpose with Java programming language. Now, what is web application? Note on. Web application. A web application is a distributed application which runs on browser and server. Note on. A web application is a distributed application which runs on browser and server. Here about internet related concepts also required to learn Solits. Those all I'll cover whatever required, because here IT students will be there, non-IT students will be there. That's what I have to teach all. Like IT, CSC, CSIT student, they studied about computer networks and data communication, mobile communication. 3 subjects are there about networks only. But non-IT student, they didn't study. Now, so a web application is a distributed application which runs on browser and server. See, Solits what purpose? To develop web applications. What is web application? It is distributed application which is running under browser and server. So distributed over the world. Example, Google, Gmail, Facebook, Yahoo, these all comes under web applications. Say, if the application distributed to next system, beside system, that is called distributed application. Suppose 5 computers are there. 5 computers connected together as a one network. 5 computers connected together as a one network. Now, in one computer, MS Office software installed. Suppose in this computer, MS Office software installed. Can we access MS Office here? Can we access? No, it is not possible. Wherever you install, there only you can access. In every computer you have to install. MS Office, if you install here, you cannot access here. There only you can access. If you want to access here, here also you have to install. If you want to access here, here also you have to install. Every system you have to install. Because that is not distributed application. That is standalone application. Wherever you install, there only it will run. But web application means distributed in network also, worldwide, in the internet also. Say Google, is it installed in my computer? No, Google installed in USA computer. Can I access here? Yes, that is distributed over the world. That type of application. So write it. Distributed application. distributed application. A web application is a distributed application which runs on browser and server. Distributed application. An application that is installed on one computer and runs on many computers is called as distributed application. An application that is installed on one computer and runs on many computers is called as distributed application. See, installed on one computer, running on many computers, that is called distributed application. Say google.com, installed in one computer, worldwide crores of people are accessing. That is distributed over the world. That type of application you are going to build with Solids. So Java especially made for developing internet applications. Java made for internet. That internet application first topic Solids. For learning Solids, core Java, JDBC required. That is the reason these many topics you learn. Now with that knowledge, Solid you can understand. Okay. So Java made for internet application. Internet application first topic Solids only. Now, if the application installed on one computer runs on many computers, that is called distributed application. If that application running on browser and server, that is called web application. That type of application, if you want to build, Solids required. Okay. Now, application installed on one computer running on many computers. That type of application is called distributed application. But in core Java also you studied distributed application, network programming, socket, server socket classes you studied. No? That programming only in LAN, local area network, but this is worldwide. In core Java, whatever you studied, that is LAN programming, socket class, server socket class, and inet address class, java.net package. You studied network programming. Those programs only in LAN, local area network, but these programs worldwide distributed. So an application that is installed on one computer and runs on many computers is called distributed. If this application running on browser and server, that is called web application. This type of application, if you want to build, Solids required. Now, what is browser? What is server? Note down. Browser. A browser is a software that executes web pages containing a browser is a software that executes web pages containing text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, dash, etc. A browser is a software that executes web pages containing text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, dash, etc. Browser is nothing but its own software. What it will do, it executes web pages. That web page can have text also, image also, graphics also, animation also, audio also, video also, everything. See, advanced Java Solids topic. This topic onwards, real-time Java starts. This topic is the most important topic in the entire advanced Java. In the entire advanced Java, this is the most important topic. With this knowledge, you can understand Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC, further courses, MVC related courses. This is prerequisite. Okay. Now, it is a complete different type of programming, different style of programming. Now, browser. Browser means it is on software. What this software will do, it executes web pages that can have text also, image also, graphics also, animation, audio, video, everything. It can execute. But there are many browsers in the market. Any browser you can use because Java is an independent, no? Platform independent, browser independent, server independent, database independent, and protocol independent, architecture independent, total environment is independent. Any environment can be selected for Java program. Okay. Now list of browsers. Note list of browsers. There are hundreds of browsers are there. Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Mosaic, Opera, America Online. So many browsers are there. Hot Java, iBrowse, CyberDog, NeoPlanet, Netscape Navigator, Linux. Like this, hundreds of browsers are there. Hundreds of browsers are there in the market. Okay. There are many browsers, Mac Web, WinWeb, etc. List of browsers. Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Mosaic, Opera, America Online, Hot Java, iBrowse, CyberDog, NeoPlanet, Netscape Navigator, Linux. This is LYNX. LINUX is operating system. LYNX is browser. Mac Web, WinWeb, etc. So if you type in a Google list of browsers, hundreds of browsers comes. Okay, hundreds of browsers are there in the market. Now any browser you can use, Java supports. Any server you can use, Java supports. Any database you can use, Java supports. Okay, it's everything independent. Say if the application installed on one computer and runs on many computers, that application is called distributed application. If it is running in browser and server, it is called web application. That type of web application, if you want to develop, which specification required? Solid. Okay, this topic is very interesting, and you can develop your own website also after completion of this topic. It is possible. Like all online shopping, online exams, online results, that type programming. Login form, registration form, these all. Okay. This topic is very interesting. And after completion of Solid, you can make it your own website, dynamic website. One static website means with HTML also possible. A dynamic website you can build. Okay. Now, here many browsers are there. First, internet introduced in the market, 1990 internet came. 1990 internet came. 1995 Java came. 1996 Solids came. So first Java language came. For developing internet application, rules and guidelines are introduced in 96. This topic, first topic in Java, Solids, for developing internet application. Now, at the time, like when internet came and exists in the market, do you know which is first browser? When internet came, then one browser introduced it. What is it? Which browser? Here many browsers are given. Which browser is the first browser? Do you know? Different answers coming. I'm not asking which is first in the list. I'm asking which browser introduced it first. Mosaic. This is the first browser in the world. It is first browser. Mosaic is the first browser. That means it is introduced first. Which one you used first? Google Chrome. See, here 1990 internet came. 1990 internet came. 1990 only Mosaic browser introduced it. It is first browser. Now in this all, which is powerful browser? Google Chrome, popular browser. Powerful different, popular different. Popular, powerful, lot of difference is there. Okay. Google Chrome is popular browser. It is popular. Popular browser. Worldwide, maximum people, they are using Google Chrome. Why they are using Google Chrome? Why it is become as popular? Fast. Very fast. As compared to all browsers, it is very fast. So in internet, people are not waiting 1 second also. Okay. Fastest browser that is. That is the reason it has become as popular. Powerful browser means browser should support some features. That is powerful. It is Netscape Navigator. This is powerful browser. So as compared to all browsers, Netscape Navigator powerful. Browser itself, it provides so many services. That's what it is powerful. But worldwide, highest priority Google Chrome. Reason fast. Fast is also most important in internet. 1 second also people are not waiting. If it is little bit slow, they'll go for other alternative. It's happening. That's what Google Chrome is become as popular. It is one more browser, Linux browser. It is also a special browser. It is text only browser. It doesn't support graphics, only text. Text only browser. This is popular browser. This is first browser. This is powerful browser. This is text only browser. Text only browser means in that browser, text only displayed. Remaining all skipped. Graphics, animation, audio, video, everything skipped. Then who will use that browser? Outdated. But long back that was popular. Reason 1990 when internet came and exists in the market, internet was very low speed executed programs. Very low speed. For opening mailbox also, it has taken time. 10% downloaded, 20 mailbox also. Now live streaming also coming. But long back, for opening mailbox also, 10%, 20%, 30%, it has shown progress bar. At the time, they used this browser because they want to check mails very quickly. In the mailbox also, advertisements will be there, no? Graphics will be there, no? Those all skipped, mails very quickly displayed. Long back. Long back, at the time, they used Linux browser to open mailboxes because they want to see mail very quickly. If you open other browser, graphics will be there. It takes more time to download. But Linux browser, what it will do? It will skip the graphics. Only text displayed. Your mail content very quickly displayed. That's what they used. When internet introduced in 1990, at the time, very low speed, very low. Now high speed internet is there, present. Now 4G speed coming, people are waiting for 5G. That's happening. So milliseconds also they are not waiting. They'll go for next website, next alternative, they'll search. So internet day by day speed increasing. Day by day internet cost decreasing. Internet cost decreasing, speed increasing. So when internet introduced in Hyderabad, 150 rupees per hour to use 1 hour cybercafe system. 150 rupees. 1994-95 in Hyderabad introduced internet. At that time, if you want to use CyberCafe system for 1 hour, 150 rupees. 150 rupees was there. But now 10 rupees, 20 rupees is there. 1 hour. Okay. That is 1995, 150 rupees, 2023, it is equivalent to 1500. 10 times. Okay. That means we should not compare 10 rupees, 150 rupees. 10 rupees, 1500 you have to compare. That much gap is there. Okay. So long back, internet was very costly. Now internet is very cheap. Day by day, internet cost decreasing. Internet speed increasing. Okay. See, long back for opening mailbox, they preferred Linux browser because it will skip all graphics, animation, audio skipped, only text displayed. That's what it was popular. But now live streaming also coming. That is the reason it is outdated. Okay. This is about browser. Next server. This server I'll explain tomorrow. Okay. Be regular. First 1 week, little bit different appears. First 1 week. For only welcome program, explanation of each and every word, minimum 3 days it will take. Only welcome program. Once if you understand, second program in 5 minutes it will complete. Okay. So be regular. First 1 week most important. First 1 week. Tomorrow we'll see continuation. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts.